And here is a new home site construction porta potty here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. This one's a down east. So let's check this one out. And we have a very yucky urinal. Doesn't smell all that great in here. Today is November 30th. Looks like this was last cleaned on November 25th. Roughly 5 days ago. And we got the vents at the top. I'm not going to show the pot. It's full, it looks like. Doesn't smell all that great or look all that great. And we got rolls of toilet paper laying everywhere here, and there's 3 in the holder as well. Doesn't smell very good in here. Also has the big lock as well, so people won't barge in while you're sitting on this toilet. Manufactured by Hampel Corporation, Germantown, Wisconsin, looks like. Also, you have a grate on the floor here for airflow. Well, let's get out of here. Show you the outside of this one. And here is the back, with the ventilation at the top here, keep from blowing up, as we saw inside. It's also sitting on skids too, as you can see, to keep it be turned over. Some have skids, some don't. Get the door closed better here. Not great. That's what you expect from a construction site porta potty here. Take a look at this home, really nice home they're building here. Looks like it's almost completed too. So kind of a mediocre thumbs, I'd say, in the middle here for this review on this particular porta potty. And this particular porta potty is located just off Tracy Drive, which is right off Ocean Drive here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. Right down there.